Welcome to Read Out Loud. Let's enjoy and have some fun. Hi kids, how are you today? Today we're going to learn about letter K. This is the letter K. The sound of letter K is K, K, K. K is for key, key, key. K is for kick, kick, kick. K is for kite, kite, kite. K is for kitten, kitten, kitten. K is for kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. K is for koala, koala, koala. K is for kit, kit, kit. K is for king, king, king. Great job, kids! You are really smart. Let's do it one more time. Please repeat after me. Key, key. Kick, kick. Kite, kite. Kitten, kitten. Kiwi, kiwi. Koala, koala. Kit, kit. King, king. That was awesome! Good job! Thank you so much. Please remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching Read Out Loud. See you next time! Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!